Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by clearing the immediate obstacles. Free at least one. 5 gigabytes of RAM and remove 500 megabytes of cache so the game has headroom. Once done, update Call of Duty Mobile and your device OS to the latest stable versions. This fixes known engine and API mismatches. Make sure to close intensive background apps and give Codium an exception in battery optimization. This prevents the system from killing the process mid-session and reduces sudden crashes. Next, repair the game files. Open Codium settings and run the built-in repair or rescan tool so corrupted assets are replaced. This resolves many crash causes. Then adjust graphics. Choose target frame rate or lower resolution and disable extreme effects to lower GPU and thermal strain. If instability persists, clear the app cache first. If that fails, reinstall the app while keeping your account linked so you retain progress. These steps remove damaged files and reduce runtime stress. Finally, validate stability by running a short controlled match while watching device temperature and CPU load. Overheating or spikes point to hardware limits. If the game still crashes, enable developer logs and capture crash ID to provide precise data to support. This speeds diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: create a temporary fresh user profile on the same device. If the new profile runs fine, the issue is account or settings related. Otherwise, it's device or system level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.